Hi there, kids! Are you ready for a big adventure today? Let's play a guessing game. I'm going to tell you about some cool animals that live in one special place. Can you guess where we're going? Here's a clue. It's a place where animals swim and splash all day. That's right. It's a river. But who lives in the river? Stay with me and we'll find out together. A river is like a big path of water that moves and moves. Some rivers are small and some are super big. Lots of animals live in rivers and they all love water. Let's learn about them together. Here's our first river friend. It's a fish. Fish like to live in rivers because they have water to swim in. Did you know fish breathe through gills? Gills help them take air from the water. Some fish are super fast swimmers. Look at that fish go. Zoom, zoom. Can you wiggle your arms like a swimming fish? Good job. Oh, what's this on a lily pad? It's a frog. Frogs are great jumpers. They might sit by the river on leaves called lily pads and jump into the water. Can we try jumping like a frog? Hop, hop. Good hopping. Does a frog say meow? No! Frogs say ribbit, ribbit. Let's ribbit together. Ribbit, ribbit. Now here's another friend. Look, it's a turtle. Turtles are slow on land, but in the water, they can swim really well. They have shells that help protect them. Can you pretend to be a turtle hiding inside its shell? Peekaboo, turtle. Ooh, that's so fun. Whoa, look at that. What a slippery friend. That's an eel. Eels look like snakes, but they live in water. They wriggle and squirm as they swim. Can you wriggle your body just like an eel? Wriggle, wriggle. Eels can live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. They love to wiggle. What's this furry animal doing? It's a beaver. Beavers live near rivers and build dams with sticks and mud. These hard-working animals can chop wood with their big teeth. Can you pretend to paddle like a beaver? Swish, swish, swish. Beavers are great builders. Quack, quack. Who's swimming here? It's a family of ducks. Ducks like to float on rivers and search for yummy food. They can fly too. They fly through the air to reach new rivers. Let's pretend to float like a duck. Move your arms like wings. Quack, quack. Great job, little ducks. Wow, rivers are homes to so many animals. Fish, frogs, turtles, eels, beavers, ducks. They all love the water. Rivers keep these animals safe and happy. You did such a great job learning, kids. But wait, can you guess who's coming now? This animal has long legs and loves to stand in the water. Drum roll. It's a heron. A heron is a tall bird that stands very still. It's waiting to catch fish to eat. Can you stand on one leg like a heron? Wow, look at you go. That was so much fun learning about rivers and the amazing animals who live there. Remember, every animal is special in its own way. Thanks for coming along on this fun adventure. And don't forget, this outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye-bye, see you soon. Wave goodbye, everyone. Bye.